I've got the new Lookfantastic Mother's Day edit, and this is what it looks like. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This Mother's Day edit is still available on the Lookfantastic website. You'll find details to it down below in my description. It costs £50, it contains 7 beauty items, and it has a value of £215. I do have a code for Lookfantastic, which is DiaryLF. Sometimes it works on beauty boxes, sometimes it doesn't, and unfortunately it didn't work this time, but I happen to have some credit in there, and I ended up paying just around £15 for this, so yeah. A bargain for me. Comes in this large box which can be reusable. It's a big drawer. So let's start off with the most expensive item in this box. It costs £64 if you were to buy it. This is by bareMinerals. This is from their Ageless range. It's a 10% Phyto Pro Collagen Firming Anti-Age Cream. There's 50 grams here. I honestly don't think I've tried any skincare from bareMinerals, just makeup and primers. I don't think I have. It says supercharge your skin with natural collagen with this luxurious anti-aging cream. Skin is firmer, plumper, rejuvenated, lines and wrinkles appear reduced and radiance is recharged. With our highest concentration of collagen from the pure hibiscus flower, the silky formula targets skin's natural collagen so it looks significantly smoother, and you can use it AM and PM. Well, it sounds good. I'm all for collagen. Don't like taking collagen. Liquid form. Well, let's try a little bit on my hand there. Ooh. Oh, it smells very faintly of lemons, which is really nice. Okay, I've only got a little bit there, but I just wanted to see what it's like. Well, it feels really nice. Oh, it does feel so nice. It's left my hand feeling super, super soft. It's quite lightweight. It's not heavy and thick. That's just blended in beautifully. Yeah, very subtle sort of lemon scent to it. Yeah, got £65. If any of you have tried this from bareMinerals, then yeah, let me know what you think of it. Next, we have a really great leave-in hair treatment. This is by Aveda. This is Damage Remedy. It's a daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling, and there's 100 mils here. So as you can tell, you might be able to hear it's very liquidy, so you need to shake it up first. But you apply it to damp hair. I apply it to my mid-lengths and ends really, and then I comb through because I don't want to load the top of my hair with a lot of product. It's mainly like the mid-lengths and ends, but it's a heat protector. It smooths my hair and it's a really great product. I do really like this. Is there any information I can tell you? Nope. This is a full-size product and it retails for £36. Next we've got a cleanser from Lom. It retails for £48 and there's 50 mils here. I'll just take this off. There. This cleanser is really, really nice, but it has a very strong, is it clove? I think it's like a clove sort of smell, which I'm not keen on. So we've got a little leaflet and then it comes with its own muslin cloth. So it's just a little one. If you're not a huge clove fan, or the smell of it, then, you know, it's a cleanser, so you'll wash it off. But it is such a good product. It is really good. It's just, yeah, the smell is just, yeah. But regardless of what I think, you know, if loads of people hated it, then they still wouldn't be selling it, would they? So it's obviously a popular one. It's just me personally. Then we've got Clinique. This is Moisture Surge Lip. It's a Hydro-Plump treatment for all skin types, and there's 10 mils there. This is full size and it retails for £20. Love the Moisture Surge range from Clinique. It is so, so good. It's like a balm, as you'd imagine, on your lips. I just want to smell. No, nothing. Doesn't smell of anything. So a nice thick balm. Intense plumping hydration for day and night, multitasking. It smooths, relieves dryness and preps for soft, dewy lips. Then we got a little Bobbi Brown. This is Vitamin Rich Face Base. It's an all-in-one primer and moisturiser. And there's 15 mils here. This is gorgeous as well. This is such a great product. And again, I love the smell. It smells of lemons. This size is worth £19. It's a little bit thicker than the bareMinerals moisturiser. It doesn't leave a thick film over your skin so it feels, you know, uncomfortable. It's a gorgeous base for under makeup. Really nice, and yeah, the smell. I just love it. It's just lemons. That's a nice little handy size actually for me if I'm going away for a weekend or something. So there's that. Then we got Natasha Denona, one of my favourite makeup artists and brands. I Need a Rouge Lip Styletto One Stroke Pro Precision Lipstick in shade Gigi. And this lipstick retails for £24. Oh, look. I'll pull that down a little bit. Wow. That is so gorgeous. Really, really, really pigmented. Yeah, that's pretty. I wonder, oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. I was going to say, I wonder if I've already got one. I've got a funny feeling I have in this shade. I don't know, I'm going to have to look through my things. It's so gorgeous. It's really, really pigmented, but really rich and vibrant. Yeah, I love that. So yeah, happy with that. And then lastly, we've got a perfume. This is by Ghost. This is Orb of Night Eau de Parfum. And there's 10 mils there. Seen a few Ghost perfumes in different boxes over the last couple of weeks, I think. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it's nice. Best time to wear is date night, apparently. It has top notes of mandarin, cherry, almond and bergamot, heart notes of freesia, orange blossom, ylang ylang and jasmine, base notes of sandalwood, caramel, white musk and ambergris. Ambergris. Yeah, it is nice. It's quite florally. But yeah, I quite like that. Why am I showing it to you? So yes, we got a perfume there, 10ml perfume by Ghost. And those are all the products in the Lookfantastic Mother's Day edit. I'll just go through them all, giving a bit of a recap. We've got a bareMinerals Ageless Anti-Aging Moisturiser. We've got an Eve Lom Cleanser. We've got Aveda Damage Ready Leave-In Treatment. Clinique Moisture Surge Lip Treatment. Natasha Denona I Need a Rouge in Gigi Lipstick. Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown, and Ghost Orb of Night perfume. The box has a value of £215 and can be bought for £50. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it for yourself or as a gift for Mother's Day? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.